Kustomizee in just 4 clicks. Brand new AI app codes, writes, and designs stunning e-com stores preloaded with AI-generated designs that sells funny t-shirts, mugs, sweatshirts and other products. Why you'll love Kustomizee. We're making money selling products that people love and want. You don't need to deal with any shipping, returns, packing, or inventory. No expensive equipment is required. Everything is done for us. Our AI designer generates stunning designs and puts them on t-shirts, mugs, sweaters, phone cases, and more. Yes, I want access to Kustomizee now. 385 plus positive reviews. Create AI-powered t-shirt, apparel stores in just 4 clicks. Low one-time price. No monthly fees ever. 180-day money-back guarantee. Click 1. Choose a niche. Or ask Kustomizee to choose one for you. Click 2. Let the AI generate designs for merchandise. Click 3. Kustomizee will create a stunning e-com store, preloaded with all the designs. Click 4. Use our one-click AI video generator and upload them to 2.6B users at the press of a button to flood your store with traffic, and then attach them to all kinds of merchandise: t-shirts, sweaters, hoodies, phone cases, mugs, pajamas, necklaces, blankets, water bottles. Click 1. Choose a niche. Enter any keyword to choose a niche topic. For example, you could choose dog owner shirts, or, if you're not sure, ask Kustomizee's AI to choose one for you. Click 2. Let the AI generate designs. AI will begin producing attractive designs for merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, sweatshirts, phone cases, and more. Click 3. Create the e-com store. Kustomizee will create an e-com store, preloaded with all the designs and descriptions. Click 4. Send traffic to the store. Use our one-click AI video generator and upload them to 2.6B users at the press of a button to flood your store with traffic. Yes, I want access to Kustomizee now, so you can buy the product with confidence.